Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, as you can see, it has already made a particular high, which is after around, you can say, a very long time. Okay, it's been a month, year you can say. It has made a high, and from there is a continuous downfall. Okay, a high of around 95.12, this is the high of this particular zone, and chances can be high a further downfall we can see. This is the U patterns, opposite U patterns are forming, okay, which is showing a downtrend towards a level where we have seen it has touched a level of around $63. Okay, in if you calculate for a year wise, chances are very high that if the price started falling below 66.9, a further downfall we can see. A trend towards downfall, as you can see, overall will be there as soon as the price started hitting below 66.9, because that is already being a weak resist support, so chances of falling further down will be there. Okay, a level of around 67.7, if it sustain above this level, which is above this particular zone, so we can see there will be an upside. But if the price started falling below a level of 66, we can see after falling below a level of 66.9, we can see it can come down and towards a level of 66 we can see, and then from there a level of 65 also, because there will be a zone breakout which happens after, you can say, in the month of May of 23. Okay, this is the level we have seen, so probability will be high that we can see a further downfall towards a level of 64, and then if it didn't sustain, we can see a further downfall will be there. Okay, and once started falling below $60, then we can see there will be a probability of moving further down, because there will be a zone breakout will happen. But if the price sustain, it can move towards 71.5, then to a level of 72.5, and if the price keep moving off this level, probability of moving further upside will be there. If you look at the dollar index, you will see that the dollar index now trading at a level of $106.912. Okay, a clear U pattern is forming, and if the price keep moving over the level of $106.7, I've clearly explained you that it can go further upside. Now the price is above that particular level, so if it started sustaining above this level, it can go towards a level of 107.2, and if the price moving above that particular level, chance of touching 108 will be there. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside will be there. You have to understand, once the price started going above a level of 108, a further upside will can see. Okay, but if the price started falling below 106.7, then a further downfall towards 106.2 will be there, and then a level of 105.4 we can see after crossing a level of 105.7. Okay, and it started falling below 105.7, chances of touching a level of 105.4, and then to a level of 105.1 will be there, and then a further fall. Okay, why I'm explaining you this, because see, if the dollar index started going upside, we can see the natural gas price can come down. Okay, or the crude price can come down, because see, similar, these are the problem what we have seen, they are mostly reverse in this. So you have to understand, when the price of dollar started going down, we will see the crude price and natural gas price will go up. Okay, but sometime what happens, they both moves in same direction. Okay, now coming back on the crude price, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards 68.87. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of around $67.7. Okay, and once the price started falling below this level, we can see a level of $66.8, which is already being tested. So you have to remember this is a strong support. If started going below this level, chance of touching 66.5 will be there. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see towards $65.7. And you have to understand, as soon as the price started going below this particular level, chances are very high it can move further low towards a level of 65.17, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall will be there, because there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall towards 64.4 also we can see. Okay, and once the price keeps sustaining above this level, a further upside we can see. So if the price, suppose if sustain more above a level of around 70.4, we can see it can go towards 71.35, and if the price sustain above a level of 71.35, probability of going towards a level of around 72.5 will be there, and if that sustain above this level, we can see it will go towards a level of $73. And as soon as the price started going above a level of 73, a probability of going towards a level of 73.8 will be there. Okay, and then a further upside we can see towards a level of around $76. As soon as the price started hitting above a level of 76, probability of crossing a level of 77 will be there. Okay, and then a further upside towards 77.7, and then further high. Any doubt regarding